What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life on a 2022 Honda Civic. Like I said, it's a 22 Civic in this video, but it will end up being the same procedure on a few different years. So after an oil change, you want to make sure that you reset the oil life. We're going to do that using the buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. The first thing we're going to do is press the home button. And then looking at the left-hand side of the dash, that's going to bring us to this screen. Now we're going to use the button next to it that's kind of like a little roller ball and use that to scroll down until we get to the maintenance screen. Once we're on this screen, go ahead and press that button in. And now it shows us the oil life percentage. As you can see, this one doesn't need to be reset, but we're going to go through the procedure. So once you're on this screen where you can see the oil life percentage, we're going to press and hold this button down. And continue to hold it down. This takes about 5 to 10 seconds. So we get this screen to pop up, and you can release it. Once you're on this screen, we're going to use that button again to scroll down until all items due is up, and then just press that button in. And then as you can see there, the reset is complete, and if it wasn't already, the oil life percentage is back to 100%. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.